Okay, look, I'm editing this video and I just realized that you can use the Rakuten on a Costco membership. So later on in the video, when we get to Costco, we talk about a MacBook. Forget the MacBook. But if you want to take advantage of that $40, all you got to do is get you a free Costco membership. So the membership is $60. You got to spend 40 to get the 40. But right now, Rakuten is giving $15 cash back at Costco for any transaction. So you can buy a Costco membership, get $15 cash back from Rakuten. Then on top of that, you're going to get the $40 cash back if this is your first time using Rakuten and you use my link. Then on top of that, there is a code. Get Retail Me Not, because Retail Me Not has a little code you put in when you check out that it can give you a $30 gift card to Costco. So you end up with, what is that, 30, 70, $85. You go spend 60, you get $85 back. As long as it's your first time. If this is not your first time, then don't do that. But if you don't have Rakuten, sign up. Today is the last day for the $40. So use the link, sign up, just get a Costco membership. Done. You got free Costco access all year round, and that'll expose you to some more deals later on if you can't find anything. Don't go waste your money, but I think spending it on Costco, that'd be a good investment. What's up, everybody? My stuff keep crashing. Anyway, we got some more deals, and I'm going to release this video. It's 5:27. I'm super late because I've been filming other stuff, and my stuff keep crashing. I gotta redo it, and it'd be good, and I gotta redo it again. Anyway, let's just get this over with. Today's the last day to get that $40 on Rakuten. So if you haven't done that, you need to get on the ball. Today is it. So you have to use my link and then buy something. You have to spend 40. It's like spend 40 to get 40, all right? So I'm going to show you some places you can spend $40 today. All right, Direct Tools Factory Outlet. Their little special deal today is this little compact Ryobi blower. It's sold out now because I'm late, but it's sold out now, but you can't pick it up in store. It's $25, and it does qualify for a free sprayer, so you get a free sprayer too. Now, Costco, for those of you that have Costco memberships, you can get a MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Now, the M1 chip is really nice because it doesn't, generally with laptops, I don't know why they call them laptops. You can put them on your lap. It's going to burn something. And if you have on like thick clothes or a blanket or something like that, you run the risk of overheating your laptop. But the M1 functions more so like a tablet or a cell phone. So it dissipates heat differently. And so this is truly something you can use on your lap or in the bed or anything like that. So I do like that. And the performance is still very, very good. So this is on sale for $7.99. I think the cheapest this has really ever been was $7.50, but don't quote me on that. I know it was $8.50 like a month or so ago because I almost got this for my mother, but then the price went back up to $1,000. So anyway, $7.99 there, and Rakuten has $15 cash back. So instead of, sometimes they do like dollar amounts as opposed to percentages. So let's see what Retail Me Not has. $30 Costco shop card with new membership. Ooh, that's kind of, how much does a Costco membership cost? I don't know. Let's see. Costco membership cost. So it's $60. So basically you can get it for $30. So you do the $60 membership, you get $30, a little $30 gift card, and you can hopefully use that towards the MacBook. So, if you're not a member, I believe they usually added an extra $50 surcharge. So let's just go ahead and add it to cart. Yeah, we know. Okay, so anyway, so we're back, and no, it's not 50. Okay, so it's not $50. They add 5% surcharge, so it's $70 in this case because 5%. Hold on, what's going on? Why are they trying to charge me $1,300? Wait a minute, what's the problem? Oh, something's wrong. Let me return the cart. Something extra must be in there. Yeah, because there's a Southwest sale, whereas if you you can get a $500 Southwest gift card for $449. We moving and we was gonna catch a flight, and I was gonna use that, but it was not gonna come through quick enough so I could get the flights in time. So I just left it alone. But yeah, all right. So the extra 5% on the $7.99 is gonna be what, $40. So you know. Anyway, you could be, whatever. I would probably, to save the $40, I would just get the membership and then buy the thing, and then you get that $30. So it's about getting the membership again for $30. Blah, y'all get it, y'all get it. All right, so moving on. Columbia has a sale as well. If this loads up, pretty good on the Blizzard Fighter right here. I'm going to tell you what I don't like about this particular coat is the fact that it does not have chest pockets. I like chest pockets. I don't like the hip pockets. The chest pockets is more convenient for me, so that's why I like Eddie Bauer's and North Faces. But I believe they have another one. This one down here I think has chest pockets, and these are half off. Very good deals. And the reason why I like Columbia, North Face, because some of you may be thinking that's a lot of money to spend. Well, first of all, they do their job. They're gonna keep you warm. They're gonna keep you very dry. Columbia, Eddie Bauer, North Face, all synonymous. Just depends on your style and who has the best sale. And they all have lifetime warranties. I posted a video earlier this year of me having to return a North Face that I bought this North Face to go skiing in and work on the car and stuff and do outdoor work in the winter. That's what I bought it for. I work on the car, oil stains, all that. Didn't matter, it washed right off. But it began to tear up on the inside. The insulation, I sent it in to them. It cost me like $15 to ship to their warehouse in, I believe it was Texas. And within 10 days, I had a gift card for $270. Now, here's the crazy thing. I don't think I paid $270 for the thing. I bought it in 2007. I got a new one in 2021. All right, so for real, lifetime warranties, no muss, no fuss. They either fix it or replace it for free. Love it, love it, love it. So once you buy a North Face Columbia, and you don't have to get it from Columbia or North Face or whatever. I bought mine from like Modell's. I got it from Modell's in 2007. Modell's is like almost like a Dick's Sporting Goods or something like that. So I'm pretty positive Columbia still has their lifetime warranty. You want to check. But yeah, I think this has the chest pockets. It does, but it's a little weird. It seems kind of low, and it's almost like sternum pockets. I don't know about that. I'll have to try that on. But yeah, half off, pretty good reviews. And we have a Rakuten 2% cash back. So this qualifies for the $40. Now let's see what RetailMenot has though. 16% cash back. I don't know about that. That's a little that's still not $40, but try using a Rakuten or something else. I take advantage of that 16% right there. I'm sorry, I'd have to do that. I use that somewhere else and sign up for members. Hopefully that's free. You get free shipping plus some rewards. You use the right kind of car, and remember, go check your banks and stuff, because Navy Federal also does it where they give you have these member deals, and they might have something off on Columbia. I want to say I think I saw that. So you can keep stacking this stuff, keep stack hacking, whatever I called it the other day. So yeah, Columbia, they're on sale. But here's one more thing. Let's see. I have a Slick Deals app too. Top deals. They have 7% cash back. Coupons. There you go. So look, they have coupons. This is for they have Winter 60 and the Blizzard Fighter. So let's add both of these to cart. Me, I'm a medium probably. What? It was just in stock. Okay, let's try the blue. All right. I don't like the blue, but we're gonna add it to cart. All right. So we're gonna do that, and let's go back to this as well. All right. Out of stock. Why does it keep showing that it's in stock, and when I click it, it tells me it's out of stock? Well, maybe if you were small, you could take advantage of this. So let's go to the cart. View cart. Let's just make sure all this stuff works. So let's add. Where do we add them? Promo code. Boom. Don't you love just how that pops up like last? All right, so let's. Yeah, honey just doesn't want to get out of the way. That's the one thing about having all these little pop-ups. So let's just apply coupons and see which one works. Okay, so Slick Winner worked, and it gave us this code for $88. Excuse me. So cool. So yeah, you're getting that one for $88. That's really good. With the cash back and all of that good stuff. And honey is frustrating me right now. Why is it? Why? Oh, it's telling me I have rewards. That's why it's not letting me get out of there. Oh, it has more rewards to apply to it. Let's okay, come back, honey. What you got to say? What do you have to say? Nah, see, I don't like that 1 to 7%. You said you had rewards for me. Now she running away. What's going on? Thought you had some money for me. Anyway, that is it for this video. It was long, I know. I'm sorry. Had a lot to talk about. Hopefully it was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comments, share with the community in the comments section, and I will leave my Rakuten link. Today's the last day, so you got to make the purchase today, and you'll get paid out $40. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.